This raccoon is guarding the shoes. That's why nobody has photos. Mccook Bowl was built in 1940, and it was known for its 44 lanes without a post. Nobody's paid taxes on this place since 2006, but it's definitely a key part of the area's history. So, let's head inside and check it out. Dennis and Debbie.
That's very cool.
Dennis loves Debbie. It's like somebody stamped it. We're on the back side of the bowling alley. The service side. You can see they're all numbered. Each lane. No smoking in machines. You can see the roof is like gone. Which is cool because there's still bowling balls. Look at that old AMF ball. Pin locations. A dynamite ball. Look how it's cracked. It's from the weather. And there's a pin. And oh look, a trophy. What was it for? Delco Hoover, 1992, second high game. Oh, this isn't a real pin. It's like a toy pin. Looks real though. Look at that roof. You can see they have multiple layers of drop ceiling. So it used to be all the way up at the top. And you can see the lights up there. And then later, probably to save electricity cost, they put another drop ceiling in. And it arched along. So this would have been the old backstop before they put the new drop ceiling in. A pool ball. Looks like some of the floor was disassembled and taken or sold, because a lot of the floor is gone here. Before we check out the front, let's check out the back. There's some doorways back here. From looking at the outside, it doesn't look like they go very far, but you never know what you'll find. In the gutter, there's still a bunch of balls. Purple ball. It says house ball. It's cool, all the balls are left. Employee kitchenette. I don't know what these are. Looks like they filled them up with air. Maybe they used air for bumpers. That's kind of what that looks like. Some parts. This was like the maintenance area. Like there's part of a ball return. Control boards. This abandoned bowling alley is pretty awesome. It's weird. Sometimes you find abandoned bowling alleys and they're in great shape, or they're gone. I love when they're in this kind of shape. I mean, I wish the ball returns and everything were still installed. A bunch of balls down here. And the sign. Look at the loudspeaker. Thing's huge. There's a hatchet in case you need a hatchet, I guess. I don't know. Here, I'll flip the camera upside down. That's definitely pretty cool. Down here by lane 1. Yeah, I think it was a manual setup because there's like marks on the end. I don't know. Or did they load them into like a manual carrier? And then they pulled it down and it actually set the pins down? I don't know. Somebody in the comments let us know how these things work. Yeah, these floors are pretty bad. I wonder if they ever put basements underneath bowling alleys. I mean, I would guess probably not. Yeah, I would think they wouldn't put a basement underneath an alley. I think you'd need it pretty flat and not bouncy at all. But if you know the answer to that too, let us know. We got a kid's room with an ATM. Obviously no money in it. This room's cool. It's got curved walls. Kind of like a theme you'd see in a bowling alley. So this is like where if you're bowling, you could have somebody watch your kids. It's a bunch of toys. Oh, here we go. Oh, I can't see what it says. Sign-in bowlers from the year 2000. This is the only graffiti we've seen so far. Look at this case to hold old floppy disks. Like those. Come on, somebody put a year. Okay, 2004. This graffiti's from 2004. Even the graffiti's old. So this place has been abandoned, looks like about 20 years. Big bathroom. I'll spare you the bathroom. Looks uneventful and it smells. Bowling shoes. Kinda everywhere. Ladies. (2002). Men's room. Now, if you want to see a crazy bathroom, check out our video of the abandoned Tester's paint factory. Now, those executives, they had a cool bathroom. Keys. No refunds. Play at your own risk. White shoes. Armed and dangerous. Oh, there we go. Can you find all of them?
I think so.
Not gonna lie, I'm totally gonna copy it. Look at the names up here on this board. You'd think some of the people in this that are on this board would get a kick out of this. That woman has the last name Bowling, and it's spelled like bowling.
She was made for this.
She was made for this. Anybody knows Shelly Bowling? You let her know. Look at all these shoes. Somebody stacked up all the shoes and put them in bags like they were going to do something with them. But that was years and years and years ago. Let's see, here's the front. Hey, 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 look at this. Jackpot. Stairs. Bowling lanes. Office. Oh, this is where that's all that was up here. It just goes right to the roof. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is one of those roofs that you don't go out on. This looks like you would just fall. Like if you weren't paying attention.
Just climb up with a ladder, dude.
There's no railing or anything. This is where from the outside you can see the glass block. Holy crap. Look at the shoes. Oh my God, this is the greatest right here. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. Look at that, all the shoes. Just left in their cubbies. Did that just fall?
No, there's something right above me walking. I saw the back side of some animal. I think it's a big bird. I can't tell.
Here it comes.
Hey, buddy.
What is it?
Shit, is it a skunk or a badger?
Oh, it's a raccoon.
Okay, cool.
He's
a little aggressive, but give me my light back.
He interrupted my B-roll.
What a stinker.
Man. Okay, back to the shoes.
Hey, go away, guy.
Where is he? Where is he?
Oh, no. I was trying to shoot that. He just sounded like he's coming towards me. I was trying to shoot this pole.
Oh, shit.
It's not your whole space, okay, bud? We're allowed to be here.
There he is. This raccoon is guarding the shoes.
That's why nobody has photos. Leave me alone, guy. No beef with you.
Just leave me alone, raccoon. Ball rack. Don't forget to put your ball away. I'm so close. And that raccoon keeps coming back. I just need a D, man. I just need a D. Ball bags over here. One lonely ball. I think it closed in Christmas time. They got the stockings hung up. There's the basement. Huge old ice boxes. Look at that paint. All this paint. Look, there's another bar back here. You gonna do basement?
Yeah.
Plates and dishes. No graffiti though, so I don't think anybody's hanging out down here or anything.
Yeah.
Another entrance. There used to be stairs. Their beer cage. Bud, Miller's, Hood, Paps, Label, Blatz, and Stokes. Strohs. There we go. Sump pump. And a manhole cover. You could get in, you could go in the manhole cover to get down here from the outside. Let's head back up. My guess is when they closed, they auctioned everything off. So there's no seats. There's no ball returns on this end. For the most part, the pins are gone. Here's another trophy. Can't read it anymore. Look at the hole. It's just wide open. And a huge mug. It's huge! We could always see this tree growing up from here, from the outside. And it always made me wonder if there was like a forest in here. There's not. I mean, it's not great. But it's not a forest. This ball. I thought it was broken. Nope, it's not broken. It's just buried. I mean, even this is cool. Paint coming off the brick. Look at this pair of pliers. Buried. Ta-da! Till next time, be safe out there. And don't forget to subscribe.